When Mamia Akosua SERWAA's children come in Ghana, she cooks for them. She stays with all three. They live with her. Mind you, Odo Bronii never uttered any word against Mamia Akosua SERWAA.
But because so be the marriage certificate from Germany, but now Ushana say what now later Ubuaza Nagaze we need your own into Bronii won't come to and to be an HSN marriage certificate.
My team disagree with the decision of the court.
Comment, subscribe, share, and enjoy.
But I want to understand what happened.
Just a minute. Are you going to appeal against
the court has spoken.
Challenge your phone.
And we are supposed to abide by the court's judgment, even though my team disagree with the decision of the court. So we'll go and sit down and review if it's appealable.
Will you appeal the So will you appeal?
If not, we'll abide by the judgment and move on. At the end of the day, the truth will prevail.
At the end of my court, I'm Mamia Akosua SERWAA say on
I'm saying a certificate and your original extract.
Let your hand come back. Certificate.
As a source of Munya, not as a authentic.
Oh, yeah, the proper custody near Dubai. Why she said, say a year and your text signature. Our for signature is not authentic, but German law can say. And it lies with the appeal. And it's any Obi case in the eye. You ain't doing now because you're appeal. You need to say you're appeal. So you can't say you're appeal. You have a change in the sea court. Say, or tear seven or so when you appeal, I will go ahead. But if he says that, okay, I'm okay, I'm going to come back here. But you know the consequences of all these things.
But I don't want that court to not reject it. Sir, document on the grounds of signature.
Just
summarize it in English for us.
the right person. Why disappointed?
Very disappointed.
So next move here there.
The Akosua SERWAA better than next week.
Okay. This is why I'm very disappointed.
By the end of the day, no, Obi be a big general at the end. What they are saying. Of course, because German embassy in Chantro and I will be a legitimate certificate. What am I saying? Obi already be all Germany. I have been traveled to Germany. Try as a minister or our Germany. German embassy fake documents. And our Germany have fake documents. Ghana and Kwana and creating Butuno. So I say, only Ghana and Kwana can with him, but they're very happy. So I say, of course.
And of course, I see Omumi and
I san workers who are a year no match. That is senior court in the chair. Abusia for no Angasa. Abusiano of Fire Poku. Mama Akosua Bempoma. Mama Georgina. Pastor Sammy, so what they say, Mela, Derek, what they say, and Anefia Kobi, so what they say. Any embalm penny for what we show me answer. I see the court anymore. So they be on making autopsy. Now for Lumba man almost exams, almost you know more. It's the last abofra woman. Obey exams February 26. It's just a man of Fano by visa passport to Canada. You know, but because you say what dear, obey appeal because they can't send the documents, original. So they are ultimately Ghana and I bet you are fake. The Germany won't mean your fake documents and that's it. My worry. Only Ghana and your original documents. We say there. German documents. I've been traveled to America. I've been living in America. My wife will make it. May ordinance marriage over America. Now you're not fake now. Me dey worry akatani, black American. Yeah, me by me chairman. So they are saying. Ultimate no be man say. Why worry brown worry.
Papa, didn't mama lawyer. Didn't mama lawyer bet me kase papers no enimu e fake. E me wa.
Yani dia sani dia be Ghana dia mutimi e bibia. Anu okay, papa
it's Papa that
also from Monday going. From Monday going. So what they say, but say on worry ya, untimi na yekuna. So what they say, any idea? What they say, it's the say ma enokura ededi. What they say, Ghana laws. That's what we hear juma. So what they say, that's the Ghana laws. Juma because so be the marriage certificate from Germany. But now we shall now say, waje na later ubuasa na kase. We need the own yin tuma. Broni won chantro and the DNA just any marriage certificate. Ono gwana ni na ehunu ono gwana adwene ne komu. So they say we need the honor dream say be one why judge no bu anasem. So they say it mean challenging on the views. So they say so that the an judge be ebu asem. So they say but sorry.
SERWAA and Madam Priscilla will accept this and give that Lumba the legend, the peaceful barrier that it deserves.
Do you think that these judgments would actually give peace to the family with regards to the issues arising regarding the barrier of Daddy Lumba?
What is important is that why do you want to continue to hold on to grudge when both parties have afforded a chance at peace? It's not saying one woman is superior to the other. What the judgment is saying is that both women are recognized as wives. What the family wants has been reaffirmed by the court, and it is something that must be respected. It's a chance at peace, and whoever loves peace, whoever loves Daddy Lumba, whoever loves his music, whoever loves the fact that this man is a legend and deserves peace, should accept his job. I'm Lawyer Dominic Josh, and once again, to my left is Lawyer Ali Fatih, Lawyer Kudi, and we are from Baba Jamal.
Lawyer, what are Roma? Yes, you can improve, Kasa. Lawyer, what are Roma? Lawyer, what are Roma? Yes,
Death comes, everybody is sentimental. The issue of usurpation of rights, everybody is sentimental. And this case has almost had a national implication. We got to know of Legal Wives Association, and now we know of Lawful Wives Association. We heard of Side What the Church Association,
now there are no
and all
side chicks
that.
association.
Now they definitely couldn't be.
Yes.
But I think the outcome of this case pricks everybody that be worried of the status of your marriage.
Yes.
If you think that you are married under the customary law, conform to the dictates, the demands of customary law marriage. And most importantly, if you want to assert any right on ordinance marriage, on the marriage certificate, you must observe the dictates and the demands of ordinance marriage. Now it has been clear that you may have the marriage certificate with you, but that alone, the judge stressed it, that alone is not indication that you are married under the ordinance. That alone.
Two more questions. Your commendation about the presiding judge, the performance of the presiding judge. This is in record time. In 12 days, the matter has been settled.
Yes, I must say, not only for the presiding judge, but also the cooperation of counsel, Lawyer Kusi, Lawyer Jay, and ourselves, Lawyer Osei from Baba Jamal and Co. Now and Fatih. The judge has been more than tremendous. I mean, this is a matter that we expected, that at least in the record time, it could have lasted for 3 years. It could have lasted for 3 years. Let's give ourselves, it could have lasted for, if assuming we were going to ask for determination of the case on legal grounds, that could have been even 3 months. But the judge, by the way she managed her court, the instructions and direction to counsel, and the research that she herself did, is much more than tremendous. And it's a matter that could have gone on and on and on and on. But in record time, in less than a month, she's been able to determine the matter. And mind you, she wrote a 74-page judgment. It's record. And in the record, she has touched on almost about 6 areas of law that will be of great interest to law students, to other judges, to circuit courts, to magistrates. So we commend her ladyship, Dorinda Smith Arthur for PhD. No wonder that she's discharged herself. And indeed, the court staff, yes. We have been more than delighted that Kumasi has something to show. Kumasi, in fact, in terms of, let's say, the judicial process, proceedings, Kumasi has something to show. We have
so how do these public lambasting attacks, innuendos affected your client, Odo Bronii, the legal wives, the side chicks and all that?
Yes, we had a lot of conferences with our clients. We were able to admonish her that it's better she stays calm, stay off social media. I mean, the insults were unbelievable. I mean, the demonization was unacceptable. I mean, for people who claim that they love Daddy Lumba, you wouldn't say these things about Daddy Lumba's wife. Mind you, Odo Bronii never uttered any word against Mami Akosua SERWAA. And in fact, when Mami Akosua SERWAA's children come in Ghana, she cooks for them. She stays with all 3. They live with her. And for her, that is the legacy of Daddy Lumba, that all the children should stay in peace. So we were able to admonish her, stay off social media. But of course, if they are lingering, these are matters of record. If she still thinks that people have maligned her, she still reserves her right to take legal action to seek redress. And that no. She is a woman of prayer, and we know that she had a very strong prayer team praying for her, supporting her, admonishing her. She had a family around her, friends, and for this reason, she survived, and we thank God for that. Thank you.
Counsel, please, your name and
my name is Osei, and I appear with my able learned friend, Lawyer Akosua. We are from Cardinal Law Group. We represent Priscilla Ofori, who is popularly called Odo Bronii. Thank you.
Please, your chambers.